So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can just purchase the Soledad WordPress theme in just $2 with original license key. So this is not a GPL theme or any copy or null theme. It's the original one with original license key. So in this video I will demonstrate you how you can just purchase this and how you can just apply it in your website. So at first I have to change the currency. Click on this buy now. Here you can just choose the payment method. Before it I want to tell you, if anyone want any premium subscription or anything, then here you can create your account also, otherwise no need, you just have to fill your basic details. Now here you can choose your payment method, where you want to do. It's like PayPal, credit card, debit card and anything, and it's there reserve. I will go with it. Whatever suitable for you, you can just choose it. Now after the payment will be done, you'll see these two files. This one is the theme file and this one is the license key file. You have to download both of this. Download it. Now after downloading it, you have to install it. So for this I will go into my website dashboard. Now here you see this appearance, themes, add new theme, upload theme, choose files. Now here you have to select the folder where it is. Now after the theme will be successfully installed, click on activate. Now you see this, it's done. You see this license key is also enabled with it. Now in case if this is not enabled with it, then the license key that we have provided to you, you can just copy it and you can just paste it, and after it will all be done. But it's already will be enabled with your theme, so there is no need. But if any rare case will be there where you see this license key not be there, you can just copy this license key code and you can just paste it, and all set.